Hi guys, welcome to your own channel, the AIM Trader. Now we can see that I have to analysis told you on 6 September for it. Okay, whenever you can see that this is the big momentum is happened, very high selling is happened here. So one sideways momentum will come. Okay, this is the sideways momentum. After ninth you can see that it is open in slightly a gap up. Then after you can see that this is very bearish candle. You can take here position and you can see this within the 15 minutes you can get very nice move. Okay, now it is consolidating. Okay, so what we can do is for tomorrow you can see that here is one trend line. Okay, here is one trend line and this is the supporting area now. Okay, now I will tell you this that if it will breaks, okay, you can aim until here. Okay, if it breaks downside, okay, if breaks downside, so you can take first target is up till here. Okay, up till here, and your second target will be up till here. Okay, this is for Nasdaq. Now we can see in Dow Jones. Okay, you can see that on that day I have also one thing I will tell you very important. Whenever some triangle pattern made, okay, it opens a gap up. It doesn't break a triangle pattern. It's open a gap up. So you can see that continuously, slowly coming and downside and consolidate and close at like a sideways market. Okay, from tomorrow we can see that I have told you this is the trend line. You can see that it is taken first time support, second time, third time, and you can see that this trend line works. Okay, first time, second time, three times it works. Okay, then you can see that I have told you this is the supporting area, and you can see this first time, second time, two times it had taken a support. Okay, now we can, what I can see is, you can see this is the, here is one trend line. Okay, this is the one trend line and this is the supporting area. Okay, if it will breaks, so you can take first your first target will be this and your second target will be this. Okay, on downside we can see this. On downside you can see it taken resistance from here. You can aim for your first target will be here. Okay, your second target will be here. Okay, your third target will be here somewhere. Okay, this is your three targets at downside and this is for upside two target. We can also see today US 100. Okay, in daily chart. Okay, what I am seeing is it doesn't take any support from here. You can see that it taken a resistance. Okay, you can see that it not taken any support or something consolidate here and break it. Okay, now what happened, it will what I think, it will come down and take here support, or it will breaks then take resistance and come down. Okay, what happened will be, if it will come down, it will take support and goes up. Okay, once again, no, it will otherwise it will come down. Okay, then taken resistance, then come up till here. Okay, one more thing, you can see that always you can see a round level like 16,000. I have told you now 16,000 act as a supporting area. So we have to see that if market will take support here, so it probably goes up also. Okay, you can see this is also there will be a 3 probability now. Okay, it will come and take in a round level like 16,000, take support and goes up. Otherwise it will come down and this is the supporting area, come and take support and goes up. Otherwise it breaks down and take here as here support, uh, here resistance and come down. Okay, this is the 3 probability. Okay, once again I will tell you how to trade today's in Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Okay, you can see this. If this is also making a triangle pattern, if this break, you can surely go for this target. Okay, for your first target. If it breaks down and taking resistance here, first target will be your this and second target will be this. Okay, in Dow Jones you can see this, this is making a one trend line. Okay, if it will breaks, you can go for your first target will be this. Okay, slightly down this, your first target will be this, and your if it breaks then go for this target. Okay, in downside if it comes down, okay, it taken resistance, then your first target will be this, second target will be this, and third target will be this. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your family member who wanted to invest in stock market or wanted to trade in index or stock. I will also upload a video like learning videos which will help you to invest and trade. Okay, thank you.